the PSYCH-K Online Workshop Level 1. This is a foundational and experiential 3-day workshop in which you will start by understanding the effect of beliefs in your daily life, as well as the difference between the brain and the mind, and why both are essential in the PSYCH-K processes in order to free your mind. You will learn how to communicate with your subconscious mind using various forms of self-muscle testing. Then you learn and practice a foundational reprogramming tool called a PSYCH-K balance. This will allow you to reprogram outdated self-limiting beliefs into new self-empowering ones. You will also discover potential secondary gains, which are hidden benefits that keep in place a limiting pattern in order to give your subconscious mind the necessary programs to move forward. You will also experience how to transform the perception of stress to a state of peace, to shift the emotional charge around trauma, grief, phobias, anxiety, and more. And you will be able to align your subconscious with millions of years of wisdom contained in the principles of nature to experience life in a more harmonious way. After completing Level 1 and practicing for at least 4 weeks, you become eligible for the PSYCH-K Online Workshop Level 2. This is a 4-day workshop in which you will discover how to adapt what you learned during the online workshop Level 1, extending your scope of practice when you use PSYCH-K with others at a distance via online video or phone sessions. We will go more in depth in how to use PSYCH-K, the PSYCH-K processes, to transform the perception of stress and also to discover what might be the underlying beliefs for secondary gains that maintain limiting patterns and behaviors. You will receive new tools, including the Messages Protocol. This will allow you to understand the messages or spiritual lessons behind the challenges you are facing in your life. And the process of surrogation, a simple and effective way that allows you to use PSYCH-K remotely with others via online or audio personalized sessions. You will watch your instructor demonstrate full sessions live via video and phone. Then you will practice in real time with your peers and receive real-time feedback that you will be able to integrate to upgrade your skills. You will receive a manual before the workshop with details on the essentials to be a skilled PSYCH-K facilitator, as well as a post-workshop supplemental materials to support you in the journey to create your path as a PSYCH-K facilitator, which is the name we use for someone who helps themselves and others to evolve and solve problems using PSYCH-K. You will then participate in online practice sessions with fellow participants and a follow-up online meeting to clarify any doubts.